Hey everyone, so I moved to Canada, eh? And wow, let me tell you, Canadian small talk is different. It's like a magic trick. You think you're chatting, but suddenly, bam, you're stuck talking about the weather. Back in Cebu, small talk is, well, it's honest. Super honest. You go to the corner store, and before you can even say good morning, the lady behind the counter has roasted your outfit, guessed your medical history, and spilled your family's secrets. Hey, your butt got bigger. Lady, I just want a soda, not a therapy session. But here in Canada, nobody says what they really think. Canadians will tell you a little white lie just to be nice. Me, is this seat taken? Canadian? Oh, no worries, go ahead. What they really mean, yes, but I'm Canadian, so I can't say no. Me, how's the weather? Canadian, oh, it's nice, just a little chilly. What they really mean, it's minus 40 degrees, my tears are frozen solid. I haven't felt my toes since last fall. One time, I tried doing Cebu-style small talk at Tim Hortons. Bad idea. I was waiting in line and there was this older gentleman in front of me. I wanted to be friendly, so I did what any Cebuano would do. I commented on his life. Me, Grandpa, been here long? Why are you alone? Didn't your grandkids come with you? The man's face turned all sorts of colors, like a Canadian flag. He looked at me like I'd just stolen his retirement money. Canadian small talk is so polite it's practically a safety blanket. They say things like, nice weather, eh? Even if there's a snowstorm raging outside. Oh, not too bad, you. Even if they just lost their job. Wow, great game last night. Even if they didn't even watch the game. Meanwhile, back in Cebu, me, how's it going? Cebuana. Oh, you know, got dumped. In debt. Found a lump. Tired of life. No filter whatsoever. I tried explaining this to my Canadian friend, and he was like, wait, so in Cebu, small talk is just telling everyone your problems? Yep, pretty much. In Canada, small talk is about avoiding awkwardness. In Cebu, it's about diving headfirst into it. So now, when a Canadian says, cold today, huh? I just say, oh yeah, a little chilly. Instead of my usual Cebuano reaction, can you still breathe? Me neither.